दासानुदासो भवितास्मि भूयः मनस्मरे.
If you associate with the drunkards, you will end up in pubs. If you associate with good people, you will go to the good places. May not be actually temple, but at least some good place will be there. Otherwise, bingo halls and dancing halls, some nonsense going on. That is on a mental level. And mind is useless to realize Krishna. Indriyani parani ahu. First step we see. Indriyani, senses. We are running after the senses. Parani ahu. They will not satisfy you. Indriyabhyaha param manah. Beyond indriyas, mind is there. Buddhi is beyond the mind. Intelligence. So he started with senses, then he went to mind, then from mind he went to intelligence, and buddhi paratasu saha. He is away from buddhi. So unless you forsake mind, intelligence, all indriyas, you cannot approach Krishna. And that's why we purify our intelligence. We completely forget about our mind. Mind's demands. Intelligence also is diverted to understand him. And then we have to leave that understanding also and come to the transcendent stage of singing bhajans or chanting japa or whatever. And these things, japa or bhajans, they don't belong to indriyas, they don't belong to mind, they don't belong to intelligence, they are the heart-to-heart talk. So we go to the species of Krishna. And as soon as you are successful to have this, then between you and Krishna, there is a reciprocation. I mean, there's so many engineers. We can buy 3 engineers in 2 rupees in Ahmedabad. Why this engineer gets more money? They're all engineers. Why one is getting rotten and the other one is well placed? There must be some Krishna there, I mean. Everything depends upon Krishna's selection of our activities. So as soon as we understand these eternal truths through the pages of Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam, there is no way that we'll again glide down, Mind is there. So again mind will attract you, So again you go and come back, go and come back. You know that those activities are useless.